Cash App provides multiple convenient ways to access your financial statements and transaction history. Whether you need official PDF statements for tax purposes or detailed CSV exports for budget analysis, Cash App has you covered. There are two primary ways to access your Cash App statements. You can use the mobile app for quick PDF downloads or access the web version at cash.app for more detailed export options. The mobile app method is the quickest way to access your statements. Start by opening Cash App and tapping your profile icon in the top corner. From there, you'll find the Statements option in your profile menu. Once in the Statements section, you can choose your desired month or date range. Then tap Export or Download PDF. You can have the statement emailed to you or download it directly to your device. For web access, visit cash.app in your browser and log into your account. The web interface provides more detailed export options and is particularly useful for accessing larger date ranges. In the Activity section, you can use date filters to select specific periods. Then choose between CSV export for spreadsheet analysis or PDF statements for official documentation. Cash App offers statements in two main formats. PDF statements are perfect for official purposes like tax preparation and loan applications, providing a clean, professional format that's widely accepted. CSV exports are ideal for detailed financial analysis. They can be opened in Excel or Google Sheets, making it easy to create budgets, track spending patterns, and perform custom analysis of your transaction data. Your Cash App statements serve many important purposes. They're essential for tax preparation, helping you track income and expenses throughout the year. They're also valuable for budget tracking and can serve as income verification for loan applications. Remember these key points. Use the mobile app for quick PDF downloads, access the web version for detailed CSV exports, choose PDF format for official documentation and CSV for analysis, and keep your statements organized for tax preparation, budget tracking, and financial applications. Cash App's monthly PDF statements provide comprehensive financial documentation. These statements include your beginning and ending balances, showing exactly how your account changed over the month. Your PDF statement captures all transaction types, including money sent and received, cash card purchases, ATM withdrawals, direct deposits, and bank transfers. The Activity Export feature offers even more flexibility with customizable date ranges and CSV format compatibility for spreadsheet analysis. Here's what a CSV export looks like in practice. The spreadsheet format allows for detailed analysis and integration with financial management tools. Financial experts recommend downloading statements monthly for consistent record keeping and using CSV exports for detailed financial analysis and budgeting. Security is paramount when accessing financial statements. Always enable two-factor authentication and use secure networks when downloading your financial documents. Cash App retains your transaction history for 7 years and generates monthly statements indefinitely. This comprehensive data retention ensures you always have access to your financial records when needed. Understanding these features allows you to effectively manage your finances and maintain accurate records for both personal budgeting and business accounting purposes. Whether you need official documentation or detailed analysis, Cash App's statement features provide the tools you need.